What's good, y'all? I don't even gotta say too much. We got the 700 V3 Arzareth. We got a how to style video coming up here on the channel. If y'all are new, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Videos coming right up next, y'all. So what's good, my guys? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you guys are watching this in real time, we just went through the release of the 700 V3 Arzareth, the delayed release. So a lot of L's were handed out. These joints were mad limited. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to cop for retail. My early pair is actually a 10.5. I much would have rather preferred a size 11 for the personal. Just a lot more comfortable, but we can still rock out with the 10.5 regardless. So shout out to everybody that got a W, man. And so for today's video, we're gonna cover a few different outfits, guys. By no means am I a fashion icon. These are just gonna be the way that I threw these joints together. And hopefully it can help some of you guys. What I try to do is, because this colorful blue is so beautiful and loud, we're gonna go with like subtle fits, more minimalistic looks. You know, something that can really make this blue pop. So you're not gonna see anything with me mixing and matching the blue on these. We're just gonna work with colors that accentuate this blue and just really highlight the beautiful Jesus is King blue that you guys see here on this shoe. So yeah, some of these outfits probably work better than others, but that's the whole reason we're doing this video, is to kind of just, you know, figure things out that would really make this shoe pop. So hopefully this video is helpful for you guys. Leave your feedback down below. Let me know if I did a good job or if I need to go back to the drawing board. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into look number one. All right, y'all, so you see it. I ain't gonna lie, this looks kind of fire. Actually, the reason I say it like that is because this look was not planned. It was just the fit I had on for the video. And I felt like it worked well. These earth tones do a great job of highlighting that blue. On the top, you have a hoodie from Gildan in a size XL with a little do-it-yourself slit right down the middle, just to give it that vibe. It just sets it off. It allows you to highlight the camouflage undershirt, which just sets off the earth tones. So yeah, I like the overall look of this outfit here, guys. Real cozy, just something that you can kind of get away with in any occasion, guys. On the bottom, get asked a lot of questions about these pants. They do come from a Brooklyn-based designer, go by the name of Willie Chavavera. This is a collaboration recently done with Hummel, and we know these pants were made famous by Ye, rocking those orange joints with the foam runners. Dope pair of pants, real cozy. I like the loose fit of these. They are all nylon material. So yeah, I'm feeling this. And by the way, guys, for each look in today's video, we'll feature a different material on each pant and a different color to kind of show you guys different ways that you can play with colors with this blue here, guys. So yeah, this is look number one. I think it's dope overall. Let me know what y'all think. Let's go ahead and get right into the second one, guys. Now look two, I feel like it's playing it a lot more safe. I think you guys will like this look. It is inspired by Kanye West, one of his earlier fits that you saw him rocking at Sunday Service, I believe the Detroit event. So of course went with the Sunday Service t-shirt that is beautiful because of that mock neck. Looks really dope with the jacket, which actually this trucker jacket comes from H&M, believe it or not, but it looks very similar to the Levi's. I think the dark gray on this works really well with the blue. So I decided to match with the same colored sweatpant. And I think the look overall worked out well. I think this is a look that everybody could pull off. And you'll notice the t-shirt is tucked in, which just gives it that great cropped look. And I think that works well with the pants because they are a little baggier, obviously. And on the sweatpant, these are like 15 bucks. You can pick these up from Russell, just a classic Russell sweatpant, closed bottom, of course. And the closed bottom look, because it's a little baggier, I think works really well with the 700 V3 silhouette. Let me know if you guys disagree or not. So yeah, look 2 is pretty cool. And again, it's cozy, which is kind of a trend that you'll start to see with all of the outfits that we got here going on today. So yeah, it's just that Yeezy aesthetic. Y'all know the vibes. Now this one, I kind of experimented, so I think I did a good job, guys. I'm not so sure, but wanted to play with olive here. So on the top, you have a Dickies top. The olive pants actually come from H&M, so they're a cargo pant. So on the top here, I tucked it in, guys, because the top is a lot baggier than the pant. So I think the proportion worked well in this case. You guys can also do this with an undershirt, but I chose to just go with that look. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I believe it kind of worked, but this look is a little different. I feel like one that's going to be less popular amongst you guys. Now on the pants, I picked these up a couple of years back. I wish I would have went one size bigger. This is a 34, but you guys know I like a more loose fit. So that's why we chose the more baggier top to kind of go in proportion, because the pants are a little more fitted. Not as much my cup of tea, but I think it's a pretty cool look. All right, so for this look right here, yeah, this is the look where you're just chilling, you know, you're outside. This look is cool, and you'll notice we have the sweater there. So on the top, you got the denim tiers, dope t-shirt. What I did for this look was we threw that little sweater over it just to kind of give it an extra accessory. You know, nothing too crazy. So y'all see the denim tiers on the back. The jeans that you guys see here are actually DIY as well. So I think the color, the light wash, really works well with the blue without being too matchy. I like the look. Just something different to show you guys. This is just a dark wash pair of Carhartt jeans, which are great quality, by the way, guys. And just a little DIY bleach job. And I think it came out really dope. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching to the very end. Remember, I would love to get your feedback. I attempted to style these guys, so let me know if I did a good job or if I did a horrible job. Or if you were feeling some of the outfits, let me know. But all your criticism is well taken in. Constructive criticism is accepted as well. And if you were feeling all of the fits, go ahead and rank them in order from worst to best or best to worst. Just basically what I'm trying to say is your opinion is very much appreciated, guys. So hopefully this video helped some of you guys out. Appreciate everybody for watching the video. I'm J.A. Stay safe, stay blessed, guys. And I'm out, y'all.